Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy and taste always. It's very hot. In UK it's absolutely unusual. It's over 30
People
degrees.
are roasting.
Oh, the people here are roasting. But anyway, we don't want to turn on the gas. We're gonna make a nice salad, always al bacio. I'm going to make a Parma ham and melon salad, but in my way. And it's very easy, fresh, and can fill you up. I'll show you what we need. Okay, don't see a lot of ingredients. Okay, we of course choose the melon you like. You know, it is orange, or you can choose white, or any melon you like. Parma ham, some rocket, red cabbage, some peanuts, horseradish, burrata, Parmesan, Basil, 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard, sweet chili is 2 teaspoons, Balsamic Vinegar, I think half lemon juice, okay? Tray, I put some rocket on the bottom, put like that. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. And always, we are not master chef, we cook for the family, but we cook al bacio, always. Some red cabbage, I love it. I don't know, this time I love this. Melon, like that. Burrata just take by hands. I put like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Ham on the melon, like that. We call prosciutto, the Parma Ham in Italy. Absolutely already delicious. Radish, if you like. Something like that. Just a little, you know? Okay, some Parmesan, not a lot, but make some nice, is enough. Pineapple, basil, fresh basil. Look, it's summer, it's fantastic. Look at that, already it's not finished, guys. Juice. I put inside. 1 lemon juice. Dijon mustard. Sweet chili. Mix everything very well. On the top. The balsamic vinegar. I'm going to eat this. This is gonna be my dinner. This is Piero's Parma ham and melon salad. If you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!